If you want to run HTML in Notepad and open it in Chrome, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it step by step. This is a super simple method for testing web pages, practicing HTML, or previewing your code without needing any special software. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Windows Notepad application. You can do this by searching for Notepad in the Start menu and clicking on it. Once Notepad opens, you'll see a blank document where you can type or paste your HTML code. This can be any basic HTML file like headings, paragraphs, images, links, or even a full web page structure. If you already have code written somewhere else, you can copy it and paste it directly into Notepad. After your code is in place, the next step is to save it correctly so Chrome can read it as a web page. To do that, click File in the top left corner of Notepad, then select Save As. A save window will appear, and here you need to choose the desktop or any folder where you want to keep the file. It's usually easiest to save it on the desktop first so you can find it quickly. Now look for the Save as Type option and make sure you change it to All Files. This is very important because if you leave it as a text document, the browser won't open it as HTML the way you want. Next, in the file name box, type htmlcode.html exactly like that, including the .html extension. That extension tells Windows that this is an HTML file, not a regular text file. Once everything is set, press Enter or click Save. Now your HTML file has been created. The next step is to open File Explorer and locate that file on your desktop or inside the folder you chose. When you find it, you can simply select the file and drag and drop it into Google Chrome. As soon as you drop it into the browser, Chrome will render the HTML and display your page. You should now see your code running as a web page instead of plain text. If the page doesn't look right, just go back to Notepad, make your changes, save the file again, and refresh Chrome to see the updates. This is one of the easiest ways to test HTML locally, and it's great for beginners who are just learning how web pages work. So to recap, open Notepad, add your HTML code, save it as htmlcode.html. Then drag and drop it into Chrome to view the result. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials. And as always, thanks for watching.